What is another term for heat capacity? Thermal capacity is the physical property of matter that defines the amount of heat required to change its temperature by 1 degree. It is synonymous with heat capacity and is measured in joules per Kelvin, JK. Which substance has a higher heat capacity than most other substances? Water has a very high specific heat capacity of 4184 jkg.C, meaning it can absorb or release a large amount of heat with minimal temperature change. This property is crucial for regulating Earth's climate and maintaining stable body temperatures in living organisms. Air has a much lower heat capacity than water, which is why it heats up and cools down much faster. Metals generally have low specific heat capacities, making them excellent conductors that change temperature rapidly. Oils typically have about half the specific heat capacity of water, making them less efficient at storing thermal energy. What happens to water on further heating after it becomes a liquid? When liquid water is heated to its boiling point, it undergoes a phase change from liquid to gas, known as vaporization. This process involves the absorption of latent heat to break intermolecular bonds. What physical property of the metal ball is implied to change when it is heated, preventing it from passing through the ring? Heating a metal ball causes thermal expansion, where the kinetic energy of the atoms increases, leading to an increase in the ball's volume and diameter. This physical change prevents the ball from passing through a ring that it could fit through at room temperature. What type of expansion refers to the increase in the volume of an object due to heating? Cubical expansion, also known as volumetric expansion, refers to the increase in the volume of a solid, liquid, or gas when heated. This occurs because the kinetic energy of molecules increases, causing them to occupy more space in all three dimensions. If heat flows from object A to object B, what is the initial relative temperature of object A compared to object B? According to the second law of thermodynamics, heat naturally flows from a body at a higher temperature to a body at a lower temperature. Therefore, if heat moves from A to B, object A must possess a higher thermal energy level than object B. What happens to copper sulfate pentahydrate when it is heated? Heating copper sulfate pentahydrate causes it to lose its 5 water molecules of crystallization, transforming it from blue crystals to white anhydrous copper sulfate. This is a reversible chemical change where the blue color returns upon the addition of water. What is the heat energy produced on explosion a type of? Natural radioactivity involves the emission of particles and high-energy electromagnetic radiation known as gamma rays. Gamma rays are photons with very short wavelengths and high penetrating power emitted from unstable nuclei. Ultraviolet radiation is typically emitted during electronic transitions in atoms, not from nuclear decay. Sound waves are mechanical waves requiring a medium and are not a product of radioactive decay. Infrared radiation is associated with molecular vibrations and heat, rather than the nuclear processes of radioactivity. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.